Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Open the photo and immediately duplicate the background layer so you preserve the original. Once done, select the duplicate and make sure layers and history panels are visible so you can undo. Next, choose an appropriate blur method from the Filter or Blur tool menu, Gaussian blur for even softness, lens blur for depth effects, or field blur for gradients. Make initial adjustments at low intensity so you can refine without overshooting. You'll increase strength later. Now apply the blur to the duplicated layer. Start modestly, around 5 to 30 px for Gaussian, and preview at 100% zoom so you see edges. Once applied, add a layer mask and paint with a soft black brush to uncover the sharp subject. This is how you control focus. If you want smooth fall-off, use gradient or radial masks rather than hard erasing. Make sure to toggle the blur layer opacity to blend. Lowering it to 60 to 80% often yields a natural look. Finish by zooming to 100% and inspecting edges for halos or visible seams. Refine the mask with a 1 to 3 pixel soft brush to clean transitions. If the blur introduces banding or odd smoothness, apply slight noise reduction or add subtle film grain to restore texture and make the effect believable. Once satisfied, export a high-quality JPG or PNG and also save your layered file in case you need to tweak later. Troubleshooting tip: if selections look jagged.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.